Are you getting the LS-0015 launch failed error while firing up Fortnite on your PC? No biggie. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the LS-0015 launch failed error in Fortnite on your computer. So without any delay, let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. Next, type in netsh ip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If the error is still popping up, change your DNS server to an optimized one. For this, open up Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 here and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, just go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. And click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select Manual from here. And then turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the error is solved. Solution 3. If nothing helped, turn off your internet and turn it back on. To do this, right-click on the system tray icon here and right-click on Epic Games Launcher. Then click on Exit. Now search for Control Panel and open it up. Then click on Network and Internet. And then on Network and Sharing Center. Next, from the left side of the screen, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now right-click on the connection you're using, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Disable. Quickly right-click on it again and select Enable. Now right-click on Epic Games Launcher from your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes to give permission. Next, go to your library. Then launch Fortnite from here. And Fortnite should open up without showing that error. So that's how you deal with the LS-0015 launch failed error in Fortnite on your computer. If the video was helpful to you, smash that like button. And if you're still struggling with the issue, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks a million for watching.